is Priyanshu Verma. I am studying standard. My school name is Samfilmnas High School, Chandapura branch.
Rivers of India.
Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Veri are coming up via Yamuna.
Planets in solar system.
9 planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto.
5 oceans.
Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean.
4 Vedas.
Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atarjana Veda.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Bhavana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Gupta, Kalki.
7 continents of the world.
Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Neighboring countries of India.
Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Goa.
Jnanapith Award winner from Karnataka.
Kuvempu, Dadan, Bentley, Sivaram, Maxi Venkatesh Iyengar, G.K. Oka, V.R. Narendra, Girish Karna, Chandrasekhara Kambara.
7 colors in rainbow.
Violet, indigo, blue, red, yellow.
States and capitals.
Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Trivandrum, Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Malaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Koima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim. Go to
National symbol, father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
National emblem. Land capital.
National flag.
3-color flag.
National flower.
Lotus.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National animal.
Tiger.
National bird.
Peacock.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National language.
Hindi.
National calendar.
Saga calendar.
National book.
Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
Hockey.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National river.
Ganga.
Preamble.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and dignity of the nation. In our Constituent Assemblies, 26th day of November 1949, to hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Thank you.